Hello all, today in this video we are going to see an continuation of the previous video only. So previously we have seen some different modules. So here in this video we are going to see a demo for the math module which is used in Python. So it is going to work with some mathematical operations only, this math module. So by this math module, we can work with square root, factorial, PI, and some other mathematical operations like addition, subtraction, division, and all. Also, we can work this math module. For that, for square root, factorial, and all, we need only one number. But when coming to addition and all, we need to give some two variables like because for addition, subtraction, and all, we need two numbers. No, so for that we have to give two numbers. But for square root, we can just give the only one number. And for square root, the function which is used in math is sqrt. By using this function, we can just create the square root. The square root of 16 is 4, so it will be displayed. You can see it is displayed in the output. Then we are finding the factorial of 5, that is 5 factorial, which is 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, which is 120. So you have to, for using the finding this factorial, we are using the factorial function. So we are also displaying its result, you may notice. Then pi is which is a constant. So for that, to if you want some pi value calculations in some code, means you can just use this math.py, and by using this you will display this 3.14, which is the Python value, I think 22 by 7, which is a fraction. So if you are working with the 16, means its square root is 4. For example, we can give 25. In this case, 5 will be displayed over here, 5.0. We can change this factorial to 6. In that case also, this 120 will be multiplied by 6. Then again, pi will be same only. It is a constant, so we can't do anything with pi. So if you see, means here we have noticing a difference. So this is the use of this math module. So then we can just see the use of the date and time module. So it is by using this module we can display the date time, that is the current date time. So some specific date time, some format, by using some format like year, month, day. By using this date time, we can display over here. So I worked this code on January 7, and the time also you may notice. So this is the time which I am working. So by using this date time module dot now function, you can just get the current date and time. So current date and time is given over here on 2025 date, which is, this is the time and this is the seconds. Then I'm just formatting the new date by using this format, that first the year should come, next the month should come, and then the dates should come. You can also change like what is your specifying, you can just change over here. For that I'm using this strf time function, that is a formatted function. Then if you have to create a specific date like for 2023 1/7, that is a month is 1 January, day is 7, means you can also create by using this date time module as such. For that, in that case, you can just use this now. And you may here you may notice, since we have not mentioned the time, the first start time is mentioned. Then I'm just making the time difference from January 1 to till date. So January 1 to till date, nearly 7 days has passed. So this is the thing which we are seeing. So I think this video will be displayed for you on 11. I'm not sure, maybe this dates may change based on the schedule. So I'm just making it to sorry, in that case this will not change because this time is same, will be 11. But here we can just change from January 1 to whatever it is. I think it is not possible. So if you work with that your current date, means it may change. Now you may notice there is a time difference because I previously worked with some other time. While making the video, the time is changing. So this is the work for a daytime module. So in the next video we will be working with some other module. Thank you.